In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT Atlas app to transform website content effectively. Whether you're researching or just streamlining information for easy access, this app can be quite a handy tool. Let's dive into the process together. First, you'll need to open the ChatGPT Atlas app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure it's downloaded and fully updated for optimal performance. Once the app is open, you'll find it's fairly intuitive and user-friendly. The interface is designed to make your experience as seamless as possible, so you'll be able to navigate with ease. Now, let's proceed to your chosen website. For our example, we're using Lancet.com, particularly focusing on their content about AI and neurology. Of course, you can select any other website or article you'd like to work with. The idea here is to access a web page that presents the information you're interested in analyzing or converting. So choose something that requires a more in-depth understanding or rearrangement. With the website open, direct your attention to the ChatGPT Atlas app once again. On the sidebar, you'll notice an option labeled Ask ChatGPT. Go ahead and click on this. This action will allow the app to interact with the content of the website and bring you into a more engaging and interactive experience. The sidebar is where you can input your custom prompts and commands, sort of like having an intelligent conversation partner ready to help you organize your thoughts or summarize the data you're working on. Your next task is to create a prompt for the AI. Think of a prompt as your personalized question or command. In this context, you might want to type in something like, "Turn this into a script for video." This prompt is your directive for the AI, telling it exactly what you need from the information on your chosen web page. Take a moment to carefully consider how you word your prompt, as this will guide how effectively the AI can interpret and handle your request. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, click the Submit button. The AI will then analyze the content from the website, guided by the instructions you've just provided. It should begin to transform the information into a structured script tailored for video, neatly organizing the data in a format that is easy to present or further refine. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've efficiently utilized the ChatGPT Atlas app to convert web content into a video-ready script. It's an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to switch from text-heavy research to more dynamic formats like video scripts. Remember, practice makes perfect, so experiment with different types of content and prompts to get the best results possible. Thank you for watching, and happy scripting!